It's the last day of shooting. Pocket, 4K, drone, and me. Now I think they're going. We're on an island. I think I found a way, finally, to transition into full-time YouTuber. From Netflix. Who would have thought? I haven't liked the process of working with television and Netflix and other broadcasters. I just think that it's too much hassle. You don't get the freedom you want. You don't get to do what you want to do. And it's a big friggin' hassle to get stuff made. Even though I'm established, I can get stuff made. It's not a fun way of making the funding work. It's so much hassle and it kills so much joy in making stuff. So I just feel like YouTube is the future. It's what my kids watch. It's what other kids watch. The rest of this stuff will probably die. YouTube will succeed. That's my main reasoning for this. No, it won't really die. But I just feel like it's not worth the time to invest in that. Because YouTube will probably succeed more than everybody else. And it's just a matter of time before everybody understands that. And it happens with generational shifts. Sure, something else can come, but I just feel like the way that I see the future going, YouTube is going to be the big platform that everybody's going to use. I want to be there. I have been wanting to be there for over 10 years, I think. And I've just had such a difficult time getting to do the transition into it. And I think I've found a way. The difficult thing about transitioning into YouTube has really had a lot to do with like the quality of YouTube, what it's been. There was so much crappiness that people were craving for. But then I just felt like something changed. People started watching like good quality content. And that's when I felt like, okay, I need to make a move. I have to make a move right now, because if I wait too long, too many of you will have become, the big thing, and it's going to be harder for me to get, YouTube going. But I had trouble finding money. I still have trouble finding money to actually make a living as I do right now, but doing it on YouTube. Because I need to shift away from what I'm doing and then start doing YouTube. And it creates a big gap, and I have big projects, big feature films in the works. And it's super difficult to just drop them and move on, which I would like, but I can't really. I need to finish the stuff. That's what you have to do when you start something. Finish it. Otherwise, you get into a really bad habit. So when I go off and I disappear from YouTube, it's because I'm focusing on finishing stuff. It's not because I'm lazy or not doing anything. I'm actually focusing on completing projects. That's what you need to care about. So I just wanted to make a quick update, because we just launched a second channel. Not me specifically, it's Craft Sportswear, but we're running that channel for them.
Yeah, I have been on the road for a week before this, so all my laundry is dirty. Alex forgot deodorant, and Mimi's got sticky feet.
So go check that out. I'm gonna tell stories about some of the best trail runners in the world. It's just what I like doing. Check this out. That's me. How epic is that? So good. Miguel, thank you for taking the best shot of me that probably exists in the whole wide world. Anyway, go check out the channel. Now I'm probably gonna get ready, because they seem to be coming. I can barely run. This is the first year that I'm taking on another brand's channel, trying to tell stories about trail running. It's gonna be pretty exciting. How epic is that? So I'm doing this channel as well, but this is why I haven't uploaded as frequently as I would have liked on this channel. But that's gonna change, and I'm doing a feature doc with them about Tommy Rivs, who I've been following since 2019, I think. That film is what I've been really busy editing now for the past couple of months, and it's coming along really well. I can't say too much about it though. I'm gonna try to tell stories about how ridiculous it is that I have to run with some of the best trail runners in the world up on mountains to be able to get like intimate footage and telling stories about them. What do you think about the foot? Is it?
It's swollen.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's very swollen.
It looks like a weirdo.
Yeah.
I'll be doing behind the scenes of that on this channel. So it's going to be a lot of various types of equipment as well. This is shot on an iPhone. A lot of the stuff on that channel will be shot on an iPhone and a Pocket 4K. A lot of Pocket 4Ks and a couple of iPhones. Yeah, and I'm super excited about it because I have been longing to just do YouTube for a while now, and I haven't been able to because I've got so much of my life and of like my company in traditional filmmaking, and this is going to make it possible to step away from that and work more full-time on YouTube. So it's just the beginning. Check out the first video though, because it's right here, and that one is from a training camp in Madeira, where we actually got to experience this shooting for the first time. We shot a couple of times since then. I'm gonna be making one film a week on that channel. Some of it is going to be more like content based, some is going to be storytelling based. It's going to be a mix. So if you like trail running, go check that channel out, and if you just like watching what I do, then go check it out as well. So this is just a short update just to let you know that that's what I'm up to, and things are starting to take off. So check it out, and then I'll see you in the next one.
Tommy Reeves, Manu from Brazil. All they have different backgrounds, but in the end, we are like a family. Different is better for us.